Yes guys, I'm in Brussels again and I'm walking into a unique shopping mall actually. Look at this. It's actually a street basically that is covered. And this is an old one, but it's kind of a unique place. Kind of the early days of shopping malls basically. It's kind of covered inside, outside, everything. Take a look. But basically it's actually a street, I think, that is actually covered. All kinds of stores, even a side aisle. So I just read here that this place opened up in 1947. So basically this is, I think, one of the first concepts of a mall, of a shopping mall, because you kind of covered, you know, like as you can see, that's a glass cover. So there you go. That's a mall from the old days. Let's compare it with one of these days. It says professional makeup. Look at the lineup, guys. See, that's what women do to get their hands on some makeup, right? Right, Chamsey? This is another type of covered street with shops, kind of like the other one. Let's go ahead and take a look quickly. I have to say, the malls from the old days were kind of elaborate, if you're asking me. Look at that. But it's kind of neat. Oh, nice store. nice, these old type of shopping malls, right? Let's find the modern one. I'm in one of the major shopping streets here in Brussels, and there are a couple of lines up on stores here, I have to say. It's from makeup to rubber shoes. Take a look. The other big lineup, it's for rubber shoes. Take a look here. Shoes lineup. Look at this. It stretches from a rubber shoe store to another makeup store. Look at this. There we go. This is a busy street, guys. And like I said, one of the oldest and most famous in Brussels for shopping. As you can see, this is an old part, an old building, so it's from the old days. This is, like I said, the oldest shopping street. And then across the street here we have the modern type department store. Let's go in there and take a look. This is a big one. It has about 5 or 6 floors or 7. Up is the electronic department, I guess. I don't know if you're noticing this, guys, but there are no security guards here. So as you can see, you walk in here, I just came out of here, and there are no security guys here. So unlike in the Philippines, it really surprised me the very first time when I was there. So how many security there was compared to here is absolutely nothing. Same in Canada, In Canada, there are no security guards on the mall, none. Same on a bank, no security. So let's continue. Here's another mall, guys, and this is a more modern one. But as you can see, just walking, or checking of bags or nothing. As you can see, this is a modern type of store, mall. Came upon this plant store, guys. You have to see this. It's like a jungle in here. Look at this. Look at this is outside here. I have lots of plants right there. But on the inside, I have to stand here on an angle so you can see inside a little bit. It's huge in there, like lots of plants. Look at. You cannot see this probably with the light, but take a look in here. Take a look.
Aujourd'hui ça va être juste, mais par contre éventuellement
Bah le problème c'est que...
je peux payer.
Ouais, moi je préfère qu'on... Parce que c'est pas poussé à la vente du tout.
Wow, that's my kind of plant store. Holy crap, really nice. So guys, we went from a high-class shopping area to a lesser shopping. That's here we are. This is about 2 kilometers from the center, from the market square. And here you can buy all kinds of used stuff. And I guess I missed the outside market because here it was, right here, where all the trucks were. So I totally missed it today. That's too bad. Well, we'll need to come back for that one. No, we're not at the Torture Museum anymore. This is an antique store. Take a look. Nice store, but this is not my idea. This one here to put in my house, but everybody has his choice, right? This is a nice store actually. Lots of antiques. Holy. Nice store, I have to say.
Like and subscribe.